the day was fine, and it was also very interesting.
I've learned a lot. It was pretty cool to just meet some of the SAP rockstars like Thorsten or Uwe, who's standing behind you.
SAP Inside Track event in Hamburg, Germany. In the heart of the legendary district St. Pauli, the SAP Inside Track community meets at the Beta House to share new innovative solutions and get in touch with the peers of the SAP family. SAP expert Peter Langner and SAP mentor Renald Witwer organized the SAP Inside Track in Hamburg. Round about 40 companions followed the invitation to boost the network.
Well, I expect to meet people I already know and I'm looking forward to meet again, and people which I don't know where I'm looking forward to get to know them. On the other hand, I'm looking very much forward to these interested topics. The speakers have shown them themselves, so we will see what the outcome is.
The idea is at first networking with other people from the SAP area, and the second idea is knowledge exchange. So we want to exchange knowledge with about our things that we do every day around SAP.
Yeah, enjoy the day.
In the center, programmers like Tobias Trapp and Markus Theilen share their knowledge inside the community and offer solutions based on their own business experience.
We all have to learn from each other how we can best use the technology with reasonable costs and implement business cases which give us an advantage compared to other competitors in the market.
SAP employee Rui Nogueira is highly interested in the fast-growing community and talks about the code exchange and the SAP UI5 during the Inside Track community.
We are of course interested what the community is doing and what the community is interested in. So that's why I'm actually here. So seeing what people outside of SAP are doing with SAP technologies, also to see what kind of problems they have, what kind of questions they have. So to go back then again to SAP and say, hey, we have people here asking these kind of things that are nowhere described or nowhere really documented, and by that actually connecting people outside of SAP with people inside of SAP.
And new solutions are needed because of the growing interest in cloud computing and mobile applications. Therefore, Roel Vandenberge and Mark Teichmann takes a spot on the new requirements of the clients.
The challenge for the future, opening up in a secure way. That's basically what comes to mind.
Hosts Renald Witwer and Peter Langner know why it's important to share the knowledge in the SAP Inside Track community.
Well, for me it's important to have a broad knowledge of SAP technology. And so here in this meeting I get part of this knowledge.
So the participants of the SAP Inside Track event will be prepared for the needs of their clients in the future.
The future will bring more mature application frameworks for mobile applications, but also many competitors will be away from the market.
Later on, the event is heightened by a dinner on the historic fire ship in the harbor of Hamburg. On sunset, Peter Langner and Renald Witwer resume.
I think this was really a great day. I'm really surprised how the people liked the event, and I personally for myself took out of it a lot.
The evening will now end up at the fire ship. We will have a nice meal and perhaps 1 or 2 beers, and we will enjoy after such a successful day the evening.